So I got a package in the mail from the Dead Island 2 devs, and I knew it was coming, and I want to do an unboxing for you guys. Now, Dead Island 2 comes out in like 10 days, so April the 21st is the release day. I've been waiting for this game since 2014, like a lot of us, and I will definitely be covering it on my channel. Here's the box that came in the mail. It's got the Dead Island 2 logo on it, and then this side has Amy. She's one of the characters. And then it's got a skull, and then it repeats. Here's the box here again without it being backwards. You can see the Dead Island logo, and then you can turn it. You can see a skull on one side, and then Amy's character picture on the other side. I'll open it up here, and inside is the figurine for the Amy character for Dead Island 2. She is a Paralympian. She is one of the playable characters, and she's considered a strength class. So far, we know just a little bit of information about these playable characters. For her, she has two abilities that have been revealed. One of them is called Relief Pitcher, where Amy regains stamina when hitting a zombie with a weapon throw. The other is called Divide and Conquer. Amy gets a minor damage boost when she attacks isolated zombies. This figurine is extremely high detail and high quality, and a massive shout out to the Dead Island 2 devs for sending me one of these. They only sent out a few of these to people, and I'm one of them that got one, so it's a huge honor. These aren't available yet to the public, but they will become available for pre-order release soon. If you guys want to check that out, it'll be down in the description. But I am freaking out. I cannot wait to play this game. I've been waiting for years. Let me know if you guys are going to be getting the game and playing it, and we'll see you next video.